Then here minimum string is 1 0 1 0. The sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Then skeleton of df is equal to q0 reads 0, it will be q1. Q1 reads 1, it will go to the q2. Q2 reads 0, it will be q3. Q3 reads 1, it will go for q4. Then we can go for identify the undefined states. What are the undefined states in this? Then once again we'll go for the sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Skeleton is q0 reads 0, it will go to the q1. Q1 reads 1, it will go to the q2. Q2 reads 0, it will go to the q3. Q3 reads 1, it will go to the q4. Q4 is the final state. Then undefined means q0 of 1, it is undefined. Q1 of 0 is undefined. Then Q2 of Q2 of 1 is undefined. Q3 of 0 is undefined. Q4 of 0 and 1 also undefined states. Then see our starting state is Q0, then final state is Q4. See transition of Q0 of 1 is Q0 string can begin with any number of zeros. See that is only. See here we can take it which contains the substring is 0 1 0 1. See it is always substring is 0 1 0 1. Then once again Q1 of 0, the Q1 of 0 is Q1. The string can have any number of zeros as a substring. The string can have any number of zeros as a substring. Then Q2 of 1 is Q2 of 1 also it will be Q0. The string can have any number of ones, that is a substring. See that is 0 1 0 1. See that's why we can give it a string can have any number of ones as a substring. Then Q3 of 0. Q3 of 0 is then once again Q3 of 0 is Q1. The string can have any number of zeros because start with many number of zeros but end with 0 1 0 1. The beginning any number of zeros also. The Q4 of 0 is Q4 only because string can end with any number of zeros. Then string Q4 of 1 is also Q4. The string can end with any number of ones. But here the minimum string is the substring is always 1 0 1 0. But 1 0 1 0, then it will be in between any number of zeros. Then end with any number of zeros or end with any number of ones, then beginning with starting with any number of zeros and end with any number of zeros. See that is only. But here Q0, see that is only the Q0 of 1 is Q0. The string can begin with any number of zeros. Q1 of 0 is Q1. The string can have any number of zeros as a substring. See one more thing, just you can take the examples, any examples. For example, any number of 0 0 0 0, but 0 1 0 1 is a end with 0 1 0 1. See in between somewhere it will be the substring is 0 1 0 1. Either beginning any number of zeros, either ending with any number of zeros. Then starting, if you have starting also 0 1 0 1, they end with many number of zeros and many number of ones also, it is not a problem. Then according to this, we go for constructing the DFA. See once we can constructing the DFA, see the DFA means according to this after undefined states, we can go for Q0 means Q0 reads first we can write in the skeleton. Q0 of 0 is Q1. The Q1 of 1 is Q2. Q2 of 0 is Q3. Then Q3 of 1 is Q4. Then once again Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q0 of 1 is Q0. Then Q1 of 0 is Q0. Then Q2 of 0 is Q0. So Q2 of 1 is Q0. The Q3 of 0 is Q1. Then once again Q4 of 0 is itself. Then Q4 of 1 also itself. See that is only the this one. After constructing the DFA, we need to define as the DFA as 5 tuples Q sigma delta Q naught. Q is a finite set of states. That states are Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Then once again sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Then start state is Q0. Then final state is Q4. Then we can write it the transition table. The delta is equal to Q0 1. The Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q0 of 1 is Q0. Then once again Q1 of 0 is Q1. Q1 of 1 is Q2. Q2 of 0 is Q3. Q2 of 1 is Q0. Q3 of 0 is Q1. Q3 of 1 is Q4. Q4 of 0 is Q4, the Q4 of 1 is Q4. See, this is the way we can go for constructing the DFA. Then we'll go to the this method last problem. See, design a DFA. Our alphabet is 0 comma 1, the containing a set of strings of zeros and ones, except the containing a substring is means except these containing substring is 001. So one more thing, I will give 10 minutes time. So either 5 minutes time, just you can simplify it and tell me that what are the uh, minimum state. See here, the minimum string, then sigma, then one more thing skeleton, then one more thing what are the undefined states, then finally you only tell me the what are the transitions. See, just I will give the 5 minutes time, just you can simplify it, then tell me the answer. I'm waiting for that. Students, you only try to simplify this problem. This is the last problem for this method. Just you can try to simplify it, because totally still now we completed more than 20 problems in this method. See, that is a pattern matching method. See, next class we'll go to that another one method. See, that method is divisible by k problem. Then modulo k counter problem also is there. There are remaining two methods. Today we'll finish it off this method. Design a DFA over the alphabet sigma is equal to 0 comma 1 and containing a set of strings of zeros and ones, except the containing substring is 001. Okay. See here, I think here no minimum string. See, because except those containing a substring is 001. See, in between anywhere in the language, anywhere in the strings, it is not 001. See, that is only the DFA. See, once we can go for designing a DFA, here we are not taking the any minimum string, because except those containing a substring of 001. If any 001 substring is there in the string, that type of strings are not accepted this mission. See, this mission is only accepted the string have only 001. The string have only 001. See, for example, it is a substring. Inside that substring, it is not there in the 001. See, then only mission will be accepted. If it is in the 001, mission is not accepted. It is not there in the 001 in the substring of that any language. See, that time mission will be accepted. Because of that reason, here no any minimum string, but we can take it that step one is sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Here the string their question itself they're given sigma, that is 0 comma 1. String have only zeros and ones. It is a collection of zeros and ones. Then step 2, the skeleton of DFA will be, see, normally we can take it Q0 of 0 is equal to Q1, Q1 of 0 is equal to Q2, Q2 of 1 is equal to Q3. But Q0 also final state, Q1 also final state, then Q2 also final state. When it will come to the last one, Q2 of 1 is, that is the normal state. See, that is called a Q3. Because if any type of strings also it will be accepted, but in between substring, see, substring means once the substring is 001, see, that will be dead state. Mission is not accepting to that type of strings. See, that is only here we need to consider. We need to consider that one. Q0 starting state and final state also. Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 1 is Q3, Q3 is the dead state. Then since DFA does not accepting the strings of 001, that's why we can give it that Q3 is the dead state. Then Q0, Q1 are final states, as the string can have zeros or more number of zeros and ones. So that is only if you have any more number of zeros and more number of ones, but string cannot be accepted 001. See, that is only the this problem. See, mainly we can concentrating the problem is that is only 0, 0, 1. Then once again, since DFA does not accepting the 0, 0, 1, Q3 is a dead state. Then Q0, Q1, Q2 are the final states are the string can have 0 or more number of zeros and ones. Then step 3, undefined and see identify the other transitions. What are the other transitions means what are not defined from the this skeleton, the skeletons. This skeleton itself, the Q0 of 1 is not defined, Q1 of 3 of 1 is, we are writing that Q0 only. A Q0 string can begin with any number of, it begin with any number of ones. See, that is only Q0 string can be begin with any number of zeros. See, that is only the, strings. See, that is only Q0 of B is Q0. The string can begin with any number of zeros. See, any number of ones. Then once again, see, Q0 of 1 is Q0 of transition of Q1 of 1 is then once again Q1 of 1 is also Q0. The string can have any number of ones as a substring. For example, 0, it is any number of ones, but it is not end with 0, 0. Continuously 2 zeros to 1 is not there in the, if you take any languages, that language itself, it is not there in that type of strings. See, that is only. Then Q2 of 0. See, Q2 of 0 is Q2. See, Q2 of 0. See, here the B will be 1. See, Q0 of 1 is Q0. That not B, that is 1. Then Q1 of 1 is Q0. That is not A, that is 1. Then Q2 of 0 is Q2. The string can end with any number of zeros. Then Q3 of 0. Q3 of 0 is, then once again Q3 only. The Q3 is a dead state. Then once again Q3 of 1 is Q3 because that is a dead state. Once the mission will come in that, it is not accepting. See, if it is reading the continuously 0, 0, 1, it will go to the next state. See, that time mission is not. See, that's why we can take it Q3 is the dead state. Why we are taking the dead state? Any string, any mission, it continuously 2 zeros and 1s. See, that time mission is not accepting that type of strings. See, that is only the Q0 of 1 is Q0, Q1 of 1 is Q0, Q2 of 0 is Q2, then Q3 of 0 is Q3, the Q3 of 1 is Q3. See, that is only. Then we'll go for the construct. The first we can write it that skeleton Q0 reads 0 Q1, Q1 reads 0 Q2, Q2 reads 1, it is Q3. See, that is the skeleton. After that, undefined transitions, what we did, Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then Q2, Q1 of 1 is Q0. Then Q2 of 0 is Q2 only. Then Q3 of 0 is Q3. The Q3 of 1 is Q3. See, that is only the string. So string have except these containing means string have substring have not. See, the language have no substrings 0, 0, 1. See, that is only the any many strings. The language itself there are many strings. All the strings are not 0, 0. Substring has not 0, 0, 1. See, the remaining strings will be accepted for this mission. If any string the substring have 0, 0, 1. See, that type of strings are not accepted. This mission what we designed. See, that is only that. Finally, DFA is defined as D is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught and F, where Q is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. The sigma is equal to 0, 1. Then Q naught is equal to Q. F is equal to Q0, Q1, Q2. Then the transition table is Q0. See, transition of Q0, Q1. Then Q0 is the starting state and final state. That is the Q0. Then star Q0 also. The Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q0 of 1 is Q0. Then Q1 is that is a final state. Q0 of 0 is Q2. Q0 of 1 is Q0. Then Q2 of Q2 is final state. Q2 of 0 is Q2. Q2 of 1 is Q3. Then Q3 of 0 is Q3, Q3 of 1 is Q3. Then one more thing here, final starting state is Q0, final states are Q0, Q1, Q2. See, that is only the main thing. See, this is only the very important for that DFA. See, these are more than 20 problems, 20 problems we did in the this method. Then we'll go to the next method in the divisible by k problem. That will be in the next class. Before going this one, so I will give one more problem to do simplify. See, now only you can try this one, this problem. Then you can, after finishing that one, anyone you can take the photo and you can share the screen after completing this problem. Construct a DFA to accept the constructed DFA. Take this problem. Construct a DFA to accept the set of all strings. Construct a DFA to accept the set of all strings not containing the substring of 0, 0 for sigma is equal to 0, 1, and show that acceptability of the string is W is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. I think it is very clear, very clear. Since the previous example is 0, 0, 1 is not accepting, but here two zeros are not accepting. In between the two zeros are not accepting. So just I will give 5 minutes time. Please simplify this problem. Then you can share the screen. Please take the photo and you can share it. After 5 minutes, then once again I will explain it. What are the things it will come? Just I will give the 5 minutes time. Either if you are ready to tell what is the minimum string, what is the sigma, what is the skeleton, then you can unmute yourself and you can tell that. Students, one more thing, internals yesterday I am not given. One more thing we'll see tomorrow. Today you have, I think 12:10 you have internals for SP. How your madam will be conducted through campus technology? Either she will be conducting in which method she will using. She will see that one and later days will decide. After this IT fest, I think your 27, 28 is your inter-college fest is there, Saturday, anything. I think already you have important questions. Just you can get ready for that questions. Then you can upload that. Once you can simplify it and you upload that answers. Okay, students, try to simplify it. Tell me what is the minimum string in this? Anyone? What is the minimum string? What is the minimum string of this? Ajay, Anchal, Akash, Ajmal, Akshaya. Akshaya, what is the minimum string of this?
Sir, 101011.
See, 101011 is not minimum string. So question you can read it. After designing, see that constructed DFA to accept the strings of
0,
DFA
0.
to accept
Sir,
0,
0, 1, 1.
0, it is not a 0, 1, 1, also not a substring.
Sir, 0
See,
and 1.
question you can read. See, question, the previous example already you know that the previous example itself also no minimum string. But here also continuously two zeros are not there in the substring. If any string, there are no two zero. Is given, Nutan is given the answer. See, the minimum string is 0 or 1 because 0 or 1 is the minimum string. Why? Because if it is two zeros, continuously two zeros, that type of strings are not accepted. This mission, what we designed, now what we need to design. See, that is only the main logic. The constructed DFA to accept the set of all strings not containing the substring is two zeros. See, continuously two zeros are not there in that string. See, that time, if you have 1 0, that is also minimum string. If you have 1 1, that is also minimum string. See, that is the minimum string is 0 comma 1. See, minimum string is 0 or 1. Then step 2, sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. Step 2, the step 2 sigma is equal to 0 comma 1. 0 comma 1. The minimum string is 0 comma 1. Then skeleton. See, we can write it for a 0 or for 1. See, that is only the skeleton minimum string. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. Either Q0 reads 1, it will be Q1 or Q0. For example, for 0, Q0 reads 0, it will be Q1. For example, 1 means Q0 reads 1, it will be Q1 only. It is any number of ones. Then the skeleton of DFA for 0 and 1, Q0 reads 0, Q0 reads 1, it will be Q0 only. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1 also final state. See, if you have two zeros, then it will go to the dead state. See, that is only, but here undefined transitions are the transitions of Q0. Q1, Q0 of 0 is Q1, the Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Q1 of 0, you don't know. Q0 of Q1 of 1 also, we don't know. Then Q1 of 0 is Q2. Then Q2 is a new dead state since DFA should not accepting the strings of 0, 0. See, that is only Q1 of 0 is Q2. The Q2 is a dead state since DFA should not accepting the strings of 0, 0. Then Q1 of 1 is Q3. The Q3 is a new final state. Q3 is a new final state since the DFA can accept the strings of zeros and ones, 0, 1, 0, 1 also it will be accepted. See, undefined transitions from the Q2. The Q2 of 0 is Q2 only since it is a dead state. Q2 of 1 also Q2, that is also dead state. See, undefined transition is Q3 of 0 is Q1 since it can be accept the strings of 0, 1, 0. Then Q3 of 0 is Q1 since it can be accept the strings of 0, 1, 0. Then Q3 of 1 is Q3 since we can have any number of ones at end. For example, see, that is only. But here you can understood that one. It is very, very important thing. See, when the string is not containing the substring is not containing the 0, 0, then only it will be accepted. Once it is in the 0, 0, it will not. For example, that is only it is 0, 0, it is not accepted. If you taking the continuous two zeros in that language, it is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 also it will be accepted. But when it is in the continuous zeros, it is not accepted. See, that is that purpose only we undefined transition we take it to the Q3. Then we'll go for constructing the DFA according to this. Then once again Q0 is starting state. Q0 of 1 is Q0 of 0 is Q1. Q0 of 1 is Q0 only. Then Q1 of 0 is Q2. Then Q1 of 1 is Q3. That is a final state, new final state. Q3 of 0 is Q1. Then Q3 of 1 is Q3 only. Then Q2 of 0, 1 is Q2 only because that is dead state. Then we can go for defining a DFA. DFA is defined as D is equal to Q sigma delta Q naught and F, where Q is equal to what are the states here? Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Sigma is input symbols 0, 1. Then starting state is Q0. Then final state is Q0, Q1, Q2. Then we can go for transition table. See, delta means first we can check that one, the most they're given in the question itself. Check the acceptability of the string is 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. See, first start with starting state. In mission starting state is Q0. Q0 reads 1. Q0 reads 1. It will go to the Q0 only. Q0 reads 0, it will go to the Q1. Check it. Q0 of 0 is Q1. The Q1 of 1 is Q3. Then Q3 of 0 is Q1. Then Q1 of 1 is Q3. Then Q3 of 1 is Q3 only. Q3 is the final state. Machine will be accepted the final state. See, that is only the this one. Then see, then one more thing, then we can go for that. Since Q3 is the final state, then string can be accepted the DFA. Then we can go for defining the transition table Q0, Q1. Q0 of 0 is Q1, Q0 of 1 is Q0, Q1 of 1 is Q1 of 0 is Q2, Q1 of 1 is Q3, Q3 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 0 is Q2, Q2 of 1 is Q2, Q3 of 1 is Q1, Q3 of 1 is Q3. See, this is only the DFA. See, these are the this pattern recognition method. So one more thing, just you can understand the concept. For example, there are we learned there are so many problems. For example, design a DFA. The string set of zeros and ones end with 001 we learned. Then starting with 001 we learned. The substring of 00 also we learned. So not containing the substring of 00 also we learn these problems. This is only the main thing to there are different situations. We can go for designing the machine in the different means. That is only the already I told this is called this. What purpose we are studying this subject? We need to design a DFA. DFA means mission structure. Theoretically, we can go for designing the mission structure. How the mission we need to design. See, we can writing a concept of the program like this. See, that is only once we can go for write a software. See, that condition, the string is not containing the 2 zeros. According to this type, we can write it a program. Then we can install into the system. See, that is only theory of computing. We can go for computing the theoretically. The mission will go like this, then only it will be accepted this type of strings. See, it is not accepting the this type of strings. See, like that only we can go for designing the mission. There are so many problems we learned. See, all the problems are the same only. We learned the certain condition, we adapting the certain condition. That condition is not accepted, then only it will be accepting. That condition will be accepted. The condition is not there. See, that time it is not reached to the final state. So according to the question, we can go for theoretically we can go for designing the mission. See, that is only the one more thing, guys. If you have any doubt, you can ask it in the next class also. Then one more thing, very important means after finishing this designing, you need to define the